This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Tropine injection is a medication used primarily for emergency heart rhythm restoration and pre-anesthetic procedures. It effectively manages salivary secretions and can counteract muscle relaxants. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for various situations including the restoration of normal heart rhythm during cardiac arrest, serving as a pre-anesthetic to reduce salivary secretions, reversing the effects of muscle relaxants administered during surgery, and acting as an antidote for poisonings from certain insecticides or mushrooms. How it works. Tropine works by blocking the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which results in increased heart rate and reduced bodily secretions, thereby restoring cardiac function and muscle activity. Directions for use. Tropine injection is administered by a healthcare professional either intravenously, intramuscularly, subcutaneously, or via an endotracheal tube. The dosage and duration of treatment will be determined by the healthcare provider based on the patient's medical condition, age, and body weight. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dry mouth, blurred vision, rapid heartbeat, and constipation. It is important to monitor for any severe reactions and consult with a healthcare provider if they occur. Precautions and warnings. Patients should exercise caution when using this medication, especially those with a history of heart disease, kidney or liver issues, and those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider of any pre-existing conditions or medications to avoid adverse interactions. FAQs. 1. Can it be used for emergency conditions? Yes, it is effective in restoring heart rhythm during cardiac arrest. 2. What precautions should I follow? Inform your doctor of any pre-existing conditions and stay hydrated. 3. Is it given via tracheal route? Yes, it can be administered through an endotracheal tube by a healthcare professional. 4. Can it increase heart rate? Yes, it is known to raise heart rate, particularly in emergencies. 5. Can it cause dry skin? Yes, it might lead to dryness. Staying hydrated is recommended. Thank you for watching this informative video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.